Alright everybody, it's time to talk Hot Rod Power Tour 2024. This was supposed to be my Power Tour car. And obviously I've had some issues. And this is a full restoration and is my forever keeper car. So with that being said, I just don't think it's going to be this year's car. The issues I'm having is I probably need to strip all this epoxy off. It gummed up and it never really cured, so when I started sanding it, it started ripping it off, of the Bondo especially. So that's going to be a big thing. Plus, you guys know that I had a lot of issues with it running and all that good stuff, so that needs to take a step back there. So, and this needs paint in full assembly, so I just don't think I have the time to build this one the way I want. And I just had the engine blow up a little bit on me yesterday. I finally got it running under its own power, with its own fuel system and all that good stuff. And we blew the lower radiator hose, which now I have a new hose on there, which when not running, it apparently just kinks up all over the place. But anyways, so, you know, I'm still working on it. I've got it running. It's not milkshaked. I didn't overheat the engine or anything, but it created quite a disaster. So, that being said, I got to decide what to do. And what I'm going to do is take the 53 F250. So, and what I've decided is this bad boy needs some work, but I should be able to get it up and going. I got to put a transmission cooler on it. The doors are starting to pull apart, so I'm going to probably work on the metal on that. I've got to put a new window mechanism in there. Well, actually, it's the lock mechanism. The handle and the lock mechanism is bent all to shit, so I've got to replace that. I've got one of those on the way. I'd like to take the new sheet metal and put the new bottom piece on, but we'll see. I also need to drop the transmission pan and redo all we'll basically flush it out due to it overheating on Hot Rod Power Tour 2020. Was it 20 or 2021, whatever the hell it was. But yeah, I mean, I need to get some tune-up done and a few other things. It was 2022 when I went on the Power Tour with it last. So I've got to get some general maintenance done, get it up and running, and make sure I'm not going to have any major issues. I just put some shorts out the other day where I kind of pulled some of the electrical and did some fixes there. So I just need to go over it, but it looks like this is going to be the Power Tour car this year. So I haven't put any long format videos out lately just because I've been working underneath everything. So, and I've not been able to really record. I mean, I did the exhaust work, the fuel line work, and I was trying to record getting this thing started up for the first time, but unfortunately, with everything that happened, it just didn't work out. I volcanoed, like I said, the coolant system, so that was fun. But either way, just wanted to get everyone an update. Hopefully, I'll get some content out with the 53 pretty soon. We'll see what happens there. But that's the go forward right now. I'm going to start working on it as much as I can to get it ready. We've only got a couple months, so we'll see. Later.